Okay.
Ina!
Yes, I'm here.
You drew Ame in a swimsuit before. Could you please draw me too in a swimsuit?
Okay, if you win against me, I will draw you in the swimsuit.
Woohoo! Why couldn't I go up there?
Take that.
Race against NPCs.
Wait, am I losing against NPCs? How dare you! How dare you!
Oh no, I have to use the stand. Woohoo! Ah! Why couldn't I go up there?
Take that.
Race against NPCs. Woohoo! Oh, Ina, sorry!
How dare you! How dare you!
Oh no, I have to use the stand.
No, I didn't pick Kiara! Darn it!
Wait, Ina, do you have a driver's license? Like, for real? Like, you know?
I have a learner's. I
A
can
learner's
drive.
license?
I can drive, but I need someone with an actual license beside me.
Someone like me!
Ah. Okay,
No,
I
just
will
kidding,
let you know the code. Okay, Kiara, I think after this one, is it gonna be our 1v1 race? You ready?
Yes, okay.
You
Okay.
ready?
Yes. Oh shit, why did I do that? No! I'm flying!
Stop!
I'm flying! And here we go, 2 items. How many did you get, huh?
Yes.
There we go. Come on.
Oh no! How dare you!
No one is safe from the red shell.
No.
One! I'm flying!
Stop.
Flying! And here we go, 2 items. How many did you get, huh?
Yes.
There we go. Come on. Yes!
Oh no!
No
How
one
dare
is
you.
safe from the red shell.
Number
One! The one and only number 1! Yours truly, Tencho Kiara. Yes!
I
Whatever.
served it wrong! Oi!
Yes! Whatever.
No! Did wrong!
I
Oi!
get myself there. Oh, I'm winning. Just gotta be careful. Just gotta be
Okay.
careful. Just gotta be careful. Just gotta be careful. Just gotta be careful. Just gotta be careful. Deutsche Technologie! Reifen, Auto und Fahrrad. People are gonna doubt if I really speak German now. Oh no, oh no. Nah! Ina, we're so close! No! Are you trying to hit me with that boomerang? No! No!
Yeah. That was close. That was close.
It was close.
Hey!
Alright, do you have anything to say, Ina?
I'd just like to say, thanks for being with me today. We just hit 400k during the stream.
Oh,
I think. Yay!
During the stream?
I think so.
I saw they were at 399 before. I think.
But
Wait, 400?
I feel like every time I hit a milestone, I'm with someone. I'm glad that you're here. Yay!
Oh my god!
Thank you. Thank you.
400!
Yes.
Oh, I'm so happy for you. 400.
you.
Yes.